I missed the good stuff, but these guys have been doing their work, but they're all totally drunk and they don't have to go out fishing tonight, so we'll see if they're still going to be as funny as they were. Can they do their job and take off these motors when they're drunk? We'll see. They'll probably drop it all in, land on each other and start laughing. They can't do it, they're too drunk to move. They're moving. Now will they stand up this time? Or they fall on their butts? Ulang! Ulang! Apa? Kejar! Now they're all swimming. Good job. Now they just fell down.
Supaya Meme aman. Saya yang menjaga Meme, karena Meme saudara saya. Dia bilang. Haji bagus, good, very very good.
Mang Meme ngangen ini becek sampuna Meme kendal gadi ya. Udah mampat di ini jadi. Biar pun dicanggut anak. Hei, apa kan di sini kita aturan saya
Kawan bagus, aja bagus.
We are having lawar the day before Galangan, and it looks pretty good here, John.
Lawar, sate,
Aji, how
sup.
it's apa? Anak? Jangan gatis. Coba? Sate?
Sudah. Jangan ganti sate nih.
Kemang Sri? Kemang Sri? Cook, pemasak.
Ada nasi bi.
Ada liu pemasak.
Masih
but-
ada nasi meme.
Pelan-pelan. Makan.
Sing lawan tuh untuk Aji boleh.
Itu aja belet. Makan lagi.
Mau lagi?
Ngai apa?
Penyor.
Ya, untuk apa?
Untuk hari raya Galangan.
Galangan? Akhirnya meme di sini untuk Galangan? Tumben. Tumben meme di Bali untuk Galangan. Ada buah.
Iya.
Dan jaju.
Karena ini menyangkut dalam istilah apa yang Waha. Ini lambang dari hari raya Galangan.
It goes from here to here. And now it's got all kinds of stuff on this thing. Can you see it? There's fruit, there's all kinds of things. Where's it going? Okay, now I can see all the fruit hanging on it here. Offerings of everything that Tuhan provides. He's working on it now. Got these things, decoration things hanging on it. Kodak has to hold it up for an hour. He doesn't. It's going up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up. With all kinds of things hanging on here. My lane is really interesting on Galangan morning. Lots of people Sapura.
They're just redoing, they're touching up the creature here that will be either the devil or the good guy. I don't know what he's supposed to be.
Ada rasanya nih ya.
Getting painted.
Biasanya ditarikan pada saat hari raya Nyepi atau hari raya Ngaben. Ogoh-ogoh adalah simbolik bahwa kekuatan black magic dan kekuatan white magic. Ya, artinya bahwa kemenangan itu disimbolkan dengan perayaan, rasa bersyukur. Wajahnya kadang-kadang semuanya jelek, menyeramkan, menakutkan.
Ngengken.
Karena itu adalah perasaan di mana kekuatan itu disimbolkan dengan keangkeran, angker atau sakral itu sendiri, dan bahkan disembah-sembah. Ogoh-ogoh biasanya ada berbagai macam. Ada jenisnya naga, ada jenisnya raksasa, ada pula jenisnya barong. Itu tergantung pada inspirasi mereka, rasa syukur, dan kemudian diadakanlah tari-tarian dan gamelan. Rasa syukurnya dibuktikan dengan demikian.